Good evening students, again welcome back to my channel City. So in this video we are going to discuss about the complete review of evening slot. Today we had our IELTS test, that is 16th October 2021 real IELTS test complete review. We already updated the review of morning slot with the sample answers for writing too. So let's see how was the test in evening slot. So starting with the listening module, in part 1 they got fill up type of question. It was one word and or a number and it was easy. Moving on to part 2, they got short MCQs along with selection of letter type of question. It was easy. Part 3 with large MCQs and match the information type of question while hearing an academic discussion. It was little bit tricky. Moving on to part 4, they got fill up type of question. It was one word only fill up. It was a monologue. So overall, the listening section was easy. Comparatively with the morning slot, the listening section was easy because in the morning slot it was a little bit tricky. They got different types of question in each part and all. Anyway, in the evening section, the listening section was quite easy. Moving on to the reading module. Actually, today I'm out of station and I can't able to collect all the information from my students. Anyway, passage 1, the name was History of Guitar, and the question category was true, false, not given type of question and fill up type of question. And I didn't get the name of passage to you. Anyway, the question category was match the information type of question, and it was under list of heading. That means it was in the form of list of heading, and fill up type of question, that was one word only, and selection of letter type of question in passage 2. And regarding this passage 3, it was related to woodlands, and this passage was really tricky. And the question category was fill up type of question and match the information type of question, that was in the form of which paragraph contained this information. So that's about the reading passages. Anyway, the passage 1 and passage 2 were okay, but passage 3 was really tricky. Overall, we can say it as in easy to moderate level. Now regarding the writing, same like we predicted, in task 1 they got a bar chart and the question was related to the interest towards the internet, that means different uses of internet among males and females in the UK. So that was the question. I will update the sample answer along with the question in my Facebook page and also in the community tab as usual, so you can check out there. And regarding the task 2, the question was under opinion type essay. Here you can see the question. Some people believe that increasing the price of petrol would lead to saving the environment. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Same like the morning slot, it was also to what extent type of question. You need to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. So you can just mention about how this price of petrol will leads to this environmental pollution and issues, and how we can save environment by increasing the price of petrol in the first body paragraph. And in the second body paragraph you can just mention about the other methods to conserve the environment or to save the environment. What all are the other energy sources we can able to use like that. Okay, so that's about the essay. I hope you all attended well. Overall, the exams were really fine and it was easy comparatively with the morning slot. So, all the very best for your results and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.